COVID-19 has impacted nearly every aspect of campus life here at UT, and dining is no exception. Most restaurant seating has been removed to allow for social distancing, and restaurants request that students place orders to go. A new app allows students to place these orders before arriving at the restaurant. The app, known online as Get, is available for free download in the Apple App Store as well as the Google Play Store. Just search for the word Get and it'll come right up. Find the University of Tennessee among a list of other colleges and then enter in your net ID and password to continue. Once inside, you'll see a menu that displays your account information as well as your transaction history. Just scroll down to the bottom and click Order/Reservation to continue. From there, you can pick from any restaurant on campus to eat, including Dippers, Chick-fil-A, Panda Cane's, Twisted Taco, and even Starbucks. Once you've selected a restaurant, you can browse their menu online through the app and order items to eat as you see fit. At checkout, you can choose from a variety of different payment options for your order. Once your order has been processed, you'll receive an email specifying a pickup time for your order. Pickup times are usually no later than 10 to 15 minutes after initial order placement.